إقلاع طائرة JF-17 الباكستانية.
After takeoff, the aircraft has leveled off and is running in from the right side to initiate its sequence. The aircraft is now performing an adjustment turn, and after that it will achieve a high G turn maneuver.
كما نرى إحدى المناورات المميزة للJF-17 هنا في معرض الدفاع العالمي وإطلاق الشعلات الحرارية.
The aircraft is now aligning for the high G turn.
استخدام حاويات الدخان في دلالة على مسار الطائرة في مناورة ذات جاذبية مرتفعة توازي 7.5 أضعاف قوة الجاذبية المعتادة.
You can see how the display pilot, using all his professional skills and acumen, is turning the aircraft 360 degrees while maintaining constant height while enduring high Gs. At the culmination of high G turn, pilot would adjust himself for half Cubanate. You can now see the aircraft is rising up in the air, pulling 7.5 Gs. Ladies and gentlemen, you can look at the spectacles of JF-17 Thunder rising up in Saudi Arabia's sky. Perfectly executed Cubanate. After the Cubanate, Thunder 1 is adjusting himself for next maneuver, which is 4-point throw.
تملك طائرة الJF-17 سرعة قصوى تصل إلى 1.6 ماخ ضعف سرعة الصوت مع نسبة قوة دفع عالية لوزن الطائرة. مجهزة بأحدث الطيران ويمكنها حمل ذخيرة متنوعة يمكنكم رؤيتها في ساحة العروض الثابتة.
1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4-point roll, Thunder 1 is adjusting himself for the subsequent maneuver, the skid.
رأيتم قبل قليل مناورة الالتفاف الرباعي من طائرة الJF-17. عودة الطيار من اليسار.
Ladies and gentlemen, JF-17 has maximum speed of Mach 1.6 with high thrust to weight ratio. The Thunder is equipped with the state-of-the-art avionics which enables it to carry out all weather operations under various environments. It is capable of BVR air-to-air engagements, air-to-surface and air-to-sea stand-off roles. The JF-17 is sufficiently equipped for aerial reconnaissance, electronic warfare and air-to-air refueling, providing operational benefits to fulfill the requirements of a modern battlefield. And all of this is coupled with extreme agility and maneuverability, which will be demonstrated in the next maneuver. Thunder 1 is aligning himself for aileron rolls, followed by a Cubanate. Ladies and gentlemen, JF-17 Thunder, the pride of Pakistan. Rising up in the skies of World Defense Show for the next maneuver, Cubanate.
كما سمعتم قبل قليل في مناورات يعلو فيها صوت محركها القوي والذي يكنى بصوت الرعد. عودة طائرة JF-17 فخر جمهورية باكستان الإسلامية للقيام بعدة مناورات تغير فيها ارتفاعها وسرعتها لتبين قدرة الطائرة.
Beautifully executed Cubanate followed by the parallel roll. The parallel roll asks for coordination of all three axes of pitch, roll and yaw at the same time to become inverted and still control the maneuver. The barrel roll would be culminated and transitioned into ever-daunting high alpha pass.
تتطلب هذه المناورة التنسيق بين جميع محاور الحركة للطائرة أثناء تغيير اتجاه قمرة القيادة.
Ladies and gentlemen, where the JF-17 aircraft is capable of exceeding the speed of sound and ultra-low level flying, it is also equally capable of flying at slow speeds. Now the aircraft is going to perform the high alpha pass, and after that it will demonstrate muscle climb, in which the aircraft will climb by all by its own power. You can now see the aircraft flying at extremely slow speed, performing the high alpha pass and presenting its salute to the people of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
وفي تحية طائرة JF-17 للجمهور الحاضر معنا هنا في معرض الدفاع العالمي المرور بالسرعة البطيئة في أفضل فرصة لتصوير الطائرة.
Ladies and gentlemen, hearing the thunder climbing into the blue yonder on brute muscle power. Ladies and gentlemen, now the aircraft is adjusting for the final maneuver of its display today, which includes vertical rolls. JF-17 is now advancing towards the venue with its roaring thunder.
في المناورة الختامية لليوم JF-17 ستقوم بالالتفاف حول محورها أثناء اتجاهها للجمهور في أمام صالات المعرض.
Ladies and gentlemen, gaze upon the beauty, the elegance, Pakistan's pride, the JF-17 Thunder pulling up, rolling and disappearing in the blue skies and paying tribute to the people of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and all the audiences.